Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Model 3, a car that has redefined what it means to drive electric and continues to evolve with every new update. Whether you're a Tesla fan or just curious about the future of electric mobility, this one's going to be exciting. Let's start with the first impression, the design. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 keeps its signature minimalist look, but with sharper details and improved aerodynamics. The front end is sleeker than ever, featuring redesigned LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, giving it a futuristic and confident face. The body lines are smoother, reducing drag even further, and the flush door handles still pop out effortlessly as you approach. Tesla has slightly widened the rear stance for better balance and road grip, and the new wheel options, from 18-inch aero wheels to sportier 20-inch alloys, perfectly complement the look. You'll also notice subtle chrome delete trims, giving the car a more aggressive and modern personality. Step inside, and it's pure Tesla minimalism, clean, quiet, and high-tech. The entire cabin feels like something from the future, with a single 15.4-inch central touchscreen controlling nearly everything. But now the display offers a crisper, higher refresh interface with smoother animations and faster response times. The steering wheel has been updated too, still compact, with better tactile feedback, and Tesla's voice command system has become even smarter, understanding more natural language. Ambient lighting now wraps around the dashboard and door panels, adding a premium touch that changes color with driving mode. Comfort-wise, the 2026 Model 3 has improved seat cushioning and cabin insulation. Road noise and wind intrusion are noticeably lower, thanks to double-pane glass and enhanced body seals. Space remains impressive for a compact sedan, with enough legroom for 5 passengers and extra cargo space both in the trunk and the front. The panoramic glass roof continues to offer that signature open sky experience, now with better UV and heat protection. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, lies the updated battery pack. Tesla claims a 10% boost in energy density, allowing for more range without increasing size or weight. Depending on the variant, you can expect between 310 and 420 miles of range on a single charge, which is simply remarkable. The long-range AWD model remains the sweet spot for most buyers, offering dual-motor all-wheel drive, incredible traction, and instant acceleration. The performance model? That's where the fun begins. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.1 seconds, it rivals supercars while remaining whisper quiet. Tesla's efficiency game remains unmatched. The regenerative braking feels smoother than ever, giving you that one-pedal driving experience that makes city traffic less stressful. Charging speed has also improved. On Tesla's V4 superchargers, you can add around 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. For home charging, Tesla's updated wall connector now supports smarter scheduling and better integration with solar panels. In terms of driving experience, the Model 3 still feels planted and confident. The steering is sharp yet effortless, with adjustable settings for comfort, standard, or sport modes. The suspension system has been tuned for more balance, firm enough for spirited driving but soft enough to glide over bumps. The lower center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, gives it exceptional stability even on tight corners. Then there's autopilot, and now full self-driving beta has become more refined. The car handles lane changes, merges, and traffic lights with greater confidence. The system uses advanced neural networks and real-time data from Tesla's global fleet, making it smarter over time. Still, Tesla emphasizes that the driver must stay attentive, as full autonomy isn't yet fully legal or perfect, but it's closer than ever. Connectivity is another major highlight. The 2026 Model 3 supports over-the-air software updates, so your car keeps getting new features long after you buy it. The new user interface is smoother, integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, and offers features like video streaming, gaming, and music apps. Tesla's premium audio system continues to impress. 14 speakers and a subwoofer deliver a surround sound experience that's crisp and immersive. Safety remains a strong point. Tesla's structure is made with ultra-high strength steel and aluminum, earning top crash test ratings across categories. The car is equipped with a full suite of sensors, cameras, and radar systems for 360-degree awareness. New adaptive airbag technology adjusts deployment based on passenger size and position, while advanced driver alerts help avoid collisions before they happen. On the road, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 is more than just a car. It's an experience. It blends technology, performance, and sustainability in a way that few vehicles can match. It's quiet, yet thrilling, minimal, yet luxurious, simple, yet deeply advanced. If you're someone who values innovation, wants to save on fuel costs, and enjoys cutting-edge driving tech, the Tesla Model 3 remains one of the smartest buys in 2026. It's proof that the electric revolution isn't just about being green, it's about being better, and that's our full review of the 2026 Tesla Model 3, a car that keeps evolving while setting the standard for what electric vehicles should be. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Would you consider going electric with the Model 3? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.